Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Mentos. So in this video I'm going to show some of the hidden features of light motion and the tips that will enhance your video editing speed a lot. So let's find out. So first one, so let's create a project, then I will show. So I'm going to change my background to white. Yeah. So now, so insert any two shapes just for example. So now go to the timeline. So our main focus will be on timeline. So here you can say, so to extend the timeline, so the timeline is of 1 second and 33 milliseconds. So to extend this, just click on this arrow sign and just drag to the right. So now you can see, so I have extended the timeline duration. So suppose if we want to extend to that portion, so we don't know till where we have to extend, so for that we can use bookmark. So here a red line has appeared. So now to extend to that, just click on the below timeline. Now go to the bookmark. Now just click this one. So now you can see just we have extended. So this is very easy. Instead of dragging to that part, you can use the symbol. So now, so trim, just position your and just click on the timeline. Then if you want to trim it, then click on this, and if you want to just undo, then click on this, and if you want to split, click on this one. So yeah, this is now splitted. So now if you again click on the time, then if you want to crop from the left, then click this one. So yeah, you can see we have cropped from the left. So these are some features, and also sometimes we need to drag the timeline below to another. So for that, click on the right most that 3 dash line, just long press it, then you will see a shaded area below the timeline. Now you can drag it below. So you can see we can easily drag it. Now to select the timeline, so on the left, just long press on the eye, again long press on the below timeline. So we have selected. Now here on the above we have 3 options. So I have made a video about this also. So in this video I'm going to show that also. So just we have selected it. So to make it more clear, so let me insert some another figures. So also to drag this timeline circle one to the left, just click on and just drag it. Just press on the press, don't press it too long. So just press it and drag to the left, and it will come to the left. So now just we will select both. Now go to the first one. Here on the above most, here written 2 layers selected. On the first, when you click, they will group both the diagrams. So after grouping, you can add effects to both the shapes. Both shapes will combine. So to ungroup, click on the timeline. They go on the right most above, and then you will see a ungroup. So now again we will select. Then on the second option, so this type of from 2 diagrams, this type of intersections will come out. So let's undo again, and again we will select, and on the third, this type of shape will return. So using this, you can use very complex shapes. So I think guys, these are the some tips that you should start doing in light motion, and this will just enhance your editing skills also, and you can make amazing videos from amazing animations, amazing graphics motion from this skills only. So thank you guys, thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.